Growing tomatoes. Hi, welcome fellow gardeners. Today we're diving into the world of growing tomatoes using the no-dig method. If you're looking for a sustainable and climate-friendly way to cultivate delicious, juicy tomatoes, you're in the right place. No-dig gardening is all about working with nature, not against it. By layering compost and organic matter on top of the soil, we create a healthy, nutrient-rich environment perfect for our tomatoes. Step 1. Lay down a thick layer of compost. This not only nourishes the soil but also suppresses weeds. Step 2. Plant your tomato seedlings directly into the compost. The roots will grow strong and deep, tapping into all that goodness. You can then look forward to juicy tomatoes. The result? Healthier plants, bigger harvests, and less back-breaking work. Plus, by avoiding tilling, we keep carbon in the ground, helping to combat climate change. You will be picking your own fresh, ripe tomatoes in no time, so why not give the no-dig method a try? Your tomatoes and the planet will thank you. Here is how it's done. Start by laying down a thick layer of cardboard or newspaper directly onto the grass or soil. This suppresses weeds and creates a barrier that decomposes over time. Next, cover the cardboard with a generous layer of compost, about 4 to 6 inches thick. This rich organic material will provide the nutrients your tomato plants need to thrive. Now plant your tomato seedlings, make small holes in the compost, and gently place each seedling into its new home. Space them about 18 to 24 inches apart to allow room for growth. Give your seedlings a good drink of water to help them settle in. Watering is crucial, especially during the first few weeks as they establish their roots. Your tomatoes will thank you for it. As your tomato plants grow, keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Mulching around the plants helps retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. With the no-dig method, you'll notice fewer weeds, healthier soil, and vibrant, productive tomato plants. Plus, it's less labor-intensive and better for the environment. You will soon have beautiful tomatoes, ready to be picked and enjoyed. Growing tomatoes using the no-dig method is not only sustainable, but also incredibly rewarding. Something to look forward to. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to No Dig Plot 7B for more gardening tips and sustainable practices. Grow green, grow smart. Join us at the Allotment Plot 7B website for more tips on sustainable veg growing.